All right. Hello, my name is Maverick Collins. This is my video for exercise 4. We were tasked with building a little script that would handle a contribution list. Once it reached a allotted amount, we wanted the program to stop and then compute a couple different variables for us, which I'm going to get into here shortly. I'm just going to pull up the exercise so I know what the deliverable was. So when I'm talking about it, okay, yeah. Sorry about that. So just get right into it. We wanted how many contributions it took to reach the goal, as you could see here. How many contributions it took to reach the goal. What was the maximum contribution? What was the minimum contribution? What was the average contribution? And what was the total collected? So the exercise prompt wanted us to output it to a text file, which I have here. I also have it, or excuse me, I have here. I also have it outputting it to the console down below. It's pretty much the exact same code. Here is my object or class file for contributions, where I have my constructor for the contributions, where you're passing in a file, which is going to be this input data file here, which I have 29 contributions before it reaches the goal. And then I added a couple more just to make sure it'll cut off. And the number we're trying to hit is 10 million. So here are my getters. I got 4 getters, 5 getters. I think 5. Well, I guess we'll see. So one where it gets the number of contributions, one where it gets the max, gets the min, gets the average, pretty straightforward getters, get the total, etc., etc. Here is another method I created to get the actual program. This is the actual program, if you will, right here. Get contribution stats, which I took from our number conversion, I believe, or the other file we did in class exercise. The key here was setting up a dummy variable to store the scanner value, the next double in the input file. If you didn't have that, then I was getting errors. So this was, I think, the what do you call it? Secret juice of the program is having that dummy variable, and then we're just manipulating it throughout the entire loop. So I have a while loop while there's a next double inside the text file, and while the total, so we have a counter for the total, is less than or equal to 10 million. So let's just go ahead and run it without further ado. Boom. So excuse my note about telling me to upload a video. We're doing that now. So we had 28 contributions. 28 contributions. Boom. Maximum contribution was 3,465,000, whatever that is right there. Minimum is 13 cents right below it conveniently. The average was here, and we reached a total of $10,001,001, and we could prove that it did that by, I'll just take out this one, run it again. We should have 27 contributions now, because I just took off the dollar contribution. We reached a total of $10,001,001. I just deleted the 1. Let's see it run. 27. There it is. So let me put that back in there. 1, run it again. 28. Boom. All right, sweet. Yeah, pretty seamless. It was a fun assignment. I enjoyed doing it. Sorry it's a little late, but we got it in here before the 2-week grace period. So thank you for your time, and we'll see you in the next one.